back piece is missing. You think because of the wind?
I believe so. There was a 16-foot centipede structure that went over him and around him, and I don't see it today. And it could be somewhere down on Broad Street.
And look at that wind. It seems to be kicking up more now, or perhaps it's just an illusion because of the texture of the costumes, but it looks like the wind is kicking up at 30 to 35 miles an hour right now. It's the Satin Slipper Fancy Brigade marching up Broad.
Joining me right now is Francis Kelly, a representative from the group. Tell our viewers at home a little bit about this year's theme.
This year's theme was a rainforest, a magical thing. And we had everything come out from the flowers to birds to trees, and our float, which was lily pads, and the little frogs and everything on it. Really turned out nice.
How do you think you guys did as far as the stepping and the choreography?
I think everything went well. It was a rough year, and everything came together when we needed it.
Now, let me ask you this. If you water this, will it grow?
No, I don't think so.
Good luck. Happy New Year. Back to you guys in the booth.
Thanks, David.
All right.